And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, finally we're getting to the kids bathroom reveal. So this is how the bathroom first looked when we moved into the house. It had these brown and white tiles, this green paint on the wall, the same paint that I've been talking about like forever. The tub was its original white, and then the flooring had a different offset brown. So he had like a brown and white and green concept going on in this bathroom, but we kind of wanted to make it a little more modern and updated, at being a little more cost effective. So we removed some stuff and we did our thing, and we actually tried to turn this into a modern bathroom. Okay, so the first thing you can do in any bathroom to update it is paint the wall. So we decide to go with a bright white, and that's what I wanted to do to brighten up this corner, because the bathroom is in the corner of the house, so I wanted to brighten it up with a bright white. My husband went and started on the tub and tile kit, which he did while I was at work, and it took him 3 cans to complete the tiling and the tub because of the existing brown. It took a lot of coverage to do that. So we wanted to have, like I said, a more modern look. So I went with changing out Hubby changed out all the fixtures, and I bought this black fixture from Amazon. Most of our fixtures we bought from Amazon. Some I bought from stores like Ross, and he did all of the changing out and like plumbing work, and I'm happy and I'm proud of him doing that, because this was our first time doing pretty much everything in this bathroom, and it came out pretty awesome. So we went with peel and stick on the flooring, because peel and stick is our best friend, guys. And so we went with this gray ash from Home Depot as well, and I went ahead and grout the tile, because I kind of wanted the longevity in the tiles, and I also wanted to look more realistic by grouting them. So that's what I did, and I also took that same tiling and I ran it up the sides of the wall over the existing tiles so that it could all blend. Okay, so it took 2 nights for me to complete the flooring with tiling and grouting, because I did it in sections. It's more effective if you grout in sections rather than doing the whole floor, because the grout can hard up quickly and it won't be as effective. So when I was doing the back walls of the bathroom, we went ahead and used a heat gun as well to kind of activate the glue, being that this time the peel and stick is going horizontally on the wall, and I'm still wanted to grout the tiles or the peel and stick style that I put on the wall. I was putting spaces in between the tiles, and being that the tiles didn't have anything to hold them together, they would slide if they didn't have extra glue or activation with it. So that's why we used the heat gun to activate the glue. And then I also had a peel and stick tape or a sticky tape on the back of it for extra reinforcement, and then I used the masking tape on the top to kind of keep the tiles in order so that I can go ahead and grout them. This way it was just more easier for us to keep the tiles in place, because we didn't notice just sticking the tiles alone, it started sliding down. So when everything dried in the bathroom, tiles, wall, tub, and tile, it was time to get to the most favorite part of actually remodeling, it's decorations. So I did purchase a lot of the decorations from stores like Ross and Marshalls, and Home Goods. Some of the things I repurposed, like the shower curtains are actually linen curtains that I repurposed from my daughter's room when I bought her a new pair. So I tried to use a portion of what I already had and a few things that I purchased just to elevate the look, because I was changing their look from the last bathroom. And if you watch the last bathroom, their bathroom theme was like a beach theme, and I was going for more of a modern theme. So I wanted things to be a lot more chic and simple, to just kind of meet both of their personalities in the middle. So it wasn't more feminine, it wasn't more masculine, it was pretty general. So that was the look I was kind of looking for in the bathroom. So guys, if you're enjoying the video so far, why don't you go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see all the updates that I do in my home. I do plan in the future on doing an update on how these peel and stick tile hold up on the wall, as well as the flooring, and even an update on the bathroom to see how actually the longevity of the tub and tile kit does last, because the original idea was to remodel the bathroom, like gut it, breaking down stuff and whatnot. But after the finished result of this bathroom, I'm giving this bathroom a good, I don't know, maybe 2-3 years before we even get to that. We went ahead and caulked around the sink and around the bathroom, which you don't see in this clip, but we did do it off camera so everything could be more cohesive in the end. So let's take a look of how the bathroom looked before, with these 1960s or 70s tiling, this ugly green that was on the wall that I can't seem to stop talking about, and the outdated form of this bathroom. Now, it wasn't a bad look, it just wasn't the look that we wanted. So now let's see how it turned out. Okay, so we fell in love with the transformation of this bathroom, and it actually gave us inspiration to work on start on other projects in the house. So if you guys want to see us renovate, remodel, or upgrade any other parts of our home, which is going to be our New Year's goal to do, please do consider subscribing and follow us along on our journey, and I will see you guys in the next one.